Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix split screen is not working after update in Samsung Galaxy S22. If you're using S22 and you're facing the issue that once you updated your phone, your split screen isn't working now, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So here's the split screen feature. If you're using split screen, so you have to make sure that your split screen is enabled in your setting, because sometimes it might be that once you updated your phone, after update your split screen has been automatically turned off or disabled. You have to simply go to your settings here, just scroll down, go to advanced features, and here you must see multi-window. Select this and make sure that swipe for split screen has been enabled. You have to also check out its gesture, because sometime after update your gestures might have been changed. So here's the gestures. I have to swipe up with two fingers, right this, and split screen will be enabled. Now you just have to select the app you want to use in other screen. So let's say I'm gonna select this one here. So now you can select multiple apps. You can use multiple apps in your split screen. But if your split screen features enabled, your split screen is still not working, or it's working with a glitch like you cannot use your second screen. You must see a reload option here that load your screen, or you must see any glitch that your second screen or your split screen half is completely black. You're unable to see anything. So the fix is a simple way. You have to make a forced restart with your phone, because it might be a software glitch which can be easily fixed by making a forced restart. Just press and hold your volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds here. Just try this. You have to press and hold the volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds. The very first, you might see a black screen here. So just wait for black screen, and then you will see a Samsung logo here. Once you get the Samsung logo, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, you just have to swipe up, and here just open any app. So if you are using your split screen from your home screen, so you're unable to use that. Very first you have to open any app. Let's say I'm gonna open my settings app itself. And once you are in an app, just swipe up using your two fingers, and your split screen will be enabled. And you have to scroll down, look for the other app you want to use. Let's say I'm going to select Play Store here. So Play Store will be open in a second screen. You can also adjust by using this bar here. So in this way, you can easily use split screen in your Samsung S22 without any issue like that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.